Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're changing the spark plugs on my 2013 CBR1000RR. First thing we did, just take off the tank cover. Very easy. We don't even have to remove the tank. We just hold it up in the coat hanger. Next thing to come off was the side and bottom fairings. Next to come out was the airbox. We found that disconnecting all these cables made life a whole lot easier. You can just move them out to the side. Airbox, the top comes off. Then you take off the trumpets for the intake, and then there's some extra screws for the airbox. This needs to be disconnected, and so does this. This one's very easy, you can pinch it. The other one, you just hold the hose and you can pull it straight out. With all that stuff out of the way, we were able to remove this heat shield. We can just peel it back, and now we have access to all the coil packs. First thing we're doing is we're going to disconnect the harness from the coil packs. You should be able to press, when you press down, it should snap right off. Next, we're going to be removing the actual coil packs. What we found is if you get a plier like this and you get it in between the coil pack and you leverage it around the engine, you'll be able to pop it out. The first time we took it out was very difficult, so you might have to work around with it a little bit. We removed all the coil packs from the bike. Now we're going to move on to removing the spark plugs. We're going to be using a 5/8 spark plug socket. It should make it easy to get them out. We took all the spark plugs out. We're going to replace them with the new ones now. We set the torque wrench to 12 foot-pounds according to the service manual. We're all done here. You just need to connect the harness back to the coil packs and you should be done. Just put the bike back together and you're good to go. We're not putting ours together now because we're doing some other things for a different video, which you guys will see in the future. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to like it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And if you want to see any of our other videos, make sure to subscribe. The spark plugs are in, but the coil pack. Oh yeah, you know me, best coil packs available.
Please, you're coming. I'm scared of them.